Introducing the Mahony family. They've saved €518 in 4 weeks with a big save at Lidl. And today, they're celebrating with a big Sunday roast.
The whole family's coming, so no pressure.
Relax, you've got fresh Irish vegetables, honey roasted carrots, beautiful fluffy potatoes, and succulent Board B approved Irish spring lamb. Oh yeah, free dinner, here's Granny and Grandad. They'll get a few babysitting nights out of this.
I'm just about to start carving.
Lamb, fish, beef, are you sure you've enough there? As the Mahony family celebrate their €518 big save total, see how much you could save. Start your big save at Lidl.ie. Lidl, more for you.